Back in January at CES, Amazfit dropped the Helio Ring, aimed at athletes and best paired with their smartwatches. It's an interesting move because most folks see smart rings as smartwatch alternatives. But hey, let's be real, a smart ring is more like a sidekick to your existing gadgets. Sure, it adds to what your phone tracks, giving you a fuller picture of your health and activity, but it ain't gonna replace your Apple Watch, just like your Apple Watch can't replace your iPhone. So what exactly does the Helio Ring bring to the table? It tips the scales at under 4 grams. While it may not snatch the title for lightest ring around, that honor belongs to the ultra-human Ring Air, it definitely boasts a sleek appearance, crafted from skin-friendly titanium. It tracks your resting heart rate, SpO2 levels, and physical temperature to analyzing your sleep patterns and mental readiness. Plus, it gives you a daily score to gauge your overall physical and mental well-being. You could argue that it covers all the bases of a typical smart ring. Don't anticipate anything groundbreaking though. But here's the kicker, the price tag. At $299.99, some might raise an eyebrow, especially considering Amazfit's reputation for budget-friendly gadgets. However, for those keen on finding a good deal, you snag it as part of a bundle with either the Amazfit Cheetah Pro or the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra at $149.99. While initial inventory may be limited in sizing, rest assured that Amazfit plans to expand its offerings in the future. And to our international viewers, rest assured, the Helio Ring will soon be rolling out to markets globally. But here's where things get interesting. While the Helio Ring is gearing up for its US debut, a formidable competitor looms on the horizon, Samsung's Galaxy Ring. With Samsung's clout in the tech world, it's a potential game changer. But Amazfit isn't backing down. They're doubling down on niche appeal, banking on their unique features to stand out in a crowded market. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, peace out.